Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom status on Slack. Simple, go ahead and click your profile in the lower left hand side. And here you want to go ahead and choose update your status. Now, in this section, you want to go ahead and type whatever you want. So let's say I'm currently driving. I can simply type in the word driving, right? And you can now go ahead and click save. But if you want to take this to a whole nother level to make it more detailed, you can even change the icon. So I'm going to go ahead and change the icon right here and type, for example, drive. And if you see there's nothing, you can type the word car, for example, and I'm sure you will find something there. So type the word car and I can find a car here. So I'm going to simply click on this and that's going to show to represent the driving. Now you can always go ahead and change it to a specific time. So I can say I am driving for the next 1 hour. And from here, you can choose the notifications as well. So if you don't want to be disturbed, you can go ahead and click on that. Or if you only want VIPs to send you some messages, you can go ahead and put that in as well. In the case of driving, it's better to be not disturbed so that you don't have any distraction. So I would put this one pause notification for everyone and just go ahead and click and save. So right there, my status is changed to driving for the next hour. If you hover over it in any location, whether it's in the feed or it's currently under my lower left hand side on my profile, you can see it. It's now showing that I'm driving. And this is going to clear after 1 hour anyways. But let's say I reach a few minutes early, I can easily go ahead and clear that. And it's going to put me back in active state, as you can see. Now, those status that you create will actually be saved. So you can always use them. So at any point in time, again, you want to change your status, click on that. And here you have those recent status. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.